Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Grant, Sandy Shores Great Outdoors. Hey, quick vid. What happened the other day, I broke the end bolt pattern off the wheel, okay? On the Argo. It's an older Argo. And it went bang. I'm thinking, what the heck was that? But it still had track. Still had two center tires. I'm like, what the dickens? And I got out of the ditch. This is an old one I had. Okay. I went up to like McD's, whatever, grabbed a coffee, looked around. My back wheel was spinning, right? Broke this off. Okay. Not a problem. But looking out front when I brought it home, what the dickens? The front tire is leaning. Goofy. Right? The son of a gun cracked right here. It broke. Right here. See the crack? So I rebuilt it, but it bent on me. And I give her a swat with a big hammer, and it cracked on me again. Now I can dig that out, but it's just about no use because you're losing your strength on that hole right there. So, what I'm going to do, and this was a front axle, okay? That's the front axle. Pain in the fanny. This guy has a bearing on this end and a flange. Like here's the two bolt flange right here. Right? It goes against a bearing. Whoops. Bearing, and then one inside. Okay, bearing like this. This is the one. Okay. Now you can hear it. Okay, garbage. I got all kinds of new ones. Let me go show you what I've done. You might just like it. Ouch. Oh. My knees are killing me. Bad weather coming in. Okay, here's part of that old motorhome that I've been working on. Zinc, aluminum, fan shrouds, copper, wiring, all kinds of cruddy. And if you go in my last video, that's just excess. Let me show you what I've done. Oh, come on, it's just cool. Okay. Go underneath the electric, the yellow cord. Come on, let go of me. Okay. This is the top of my, who's up here. What I done? World of difference. Way better. Look at the two holes I drilled. I took my hole saws, my Milwaukee's, poured lots of oil to them, just turned them slow. So you don't break bits off. Take a piece of 1/4-inch shaft so that the bit doesn't always grab in the hole and break off your bits all the time, right? But I cut a piece of 2-inch, 3-inch, 1/4-inch shaft, stuck it in the hole saw, and just worked away at it. Cut. Now I can put a ratchet in there, undo the center bolts without pulling the tub off. Right? Crazy. Take a look at this. You look at inside without those holes there, you are going to pee and moan all day. You take a look at the carriage bolts heads. What are they? They're on the outside. Where's the nuts? On the inside. So you want to change the bearing. How do you do it? Either pull the frame or do what I did. I'll tell you what, it didn't take me, I'm hooked up. It didn't take me, I bet you 30 minutes to bore the holes and about 3 minutes to get the nuts off. 6-inch extension, swivel socket, bango, had it out. No problem. But what I might do, because I have Argos, come on, get on there, because I have Argos, I'm going to think. These are bigger. These are bigger. I might put my light duty axles on here. This is newer style. A little bit bigger. See, a little bit bigger axle. These are 1.25 inches, I think. 1.8 inches, 1.25 inches, something like that. A little bit bigger. And I have extra rims. From my other Argo over there, I have extra rims. I'll just take the tires off of here, transfer it. I'll put 2 5-stud like this on the back, 2 5-stud on the front. Okay. That way I can put my tracks on, no problem. I don't have these stupid cone wheels with the 3 bolts. These could hover on them, no problem, right? Here's the other one right here. Here's the other one here. And that's the other one I fixed. But tell you what, when you got some spare parts and fiddle part around, get down there and make them stronger. You go with it if you can. And so I'm going to put 2 heavier axles on the front, 2 on the back. Then we got a better opportunity, because this is straight solid shaft with a I'm going to slide you up here, right? Straight axle, right? No bull ass, right? No bull ass. Just use a couple of these rims in the back and in the front. Away you go. Just be able to bunny hop all over the crapola, and we can change things how we want. This is a spare tire. Ooh, cold fingers. See them? 2 axles in there. That could be the back ones. They're double, but they could be the back ones. It doesn't matter. You don't need to put. I could put dual chain on it, guaranteed. Like single style, but dual chain, and eliminate the inner ones and go that way. And then when I go to the shop, you get back in the heat. My fingers are cold. Whew. Man, well, frostbite. Oh, much. I gotta sit up here. Right? They're man, I can't remember. These are the inner. These are the inner axle shafts, I believe. But I can't remember if them were for Bobcat or Argo. No, these are Argo. These are the inner ones for the Argo on the one sticking apart. And I got chain coming out of the foo-foo. I got dual chain, brand spanking on the top. There's the other sprockets. You're not clear because I'm bouncing all kinds of, the camera's finding views on everything, but there's a dual set over there too. But anyway, that works. That works, and that's, once it warms up again, I'll get back on that and see what I can do. Sorry, I'm not watching what I'm doing here. But make this a heck of a lot stronger axle and go more places. Even if I have to buy some new steel. Oh, could have been killed. Buy some new new axle shaft. I wonder if it's go with 4140. Keep putting my hand over the god darn thing there. 4140 or a little bit bigger, something like that, a little stronger. But that's the only thing is you got to grind the chrome off and then drill it out. But minor. Thanks, friends. There's another video, a couple more videos for you. And I'm sorry if they all seem like the same, but I've just take a look at my shop. I am trying to get rid of projects like it's going out of style, right? And I'm going to do a big cleanup here right away. And yes, sir. I like it. I like it. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, friends. Thanks for now. If you like that, thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. Love all comments. I always answer every one of them. And hey, those are free all day long. Big old thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye now.